Before we get into this video, guys, I got something to tell you, okay? I am gonna be doing yet another Rate My Subscribers Beats video coming very soon. All you gotta do to enter is just follow instructions in the description and you will be entered. All you gotta do, it's really simple. You just gotta sign up on Viber.net, join the Dogs Gang community, and post your beats in there, and it'll be lit. All right, so go ahead, follow the links in the description. All the instructions are down there. And yeah, let's get on this video. What is going on, Dogs Gang? We are back for another video. And today I'm gonna be doing something pretty cool. We're using yet another sample. And if you're the title, well, we're gonna be sampling a childhood game. Not a childhood game that I used to play a lot, but whenever I went to a friend's house and he had the Wii, we bust out the Mario Kart, put that John in, and we would get to work. But yeah, we're gonna be sampling Mario Kart, the soundtrack for the Mario Kart Wii game. Cause like yesterday I don't know why, it just came to mind. I think I was like looking at something with Mario, but then that soundtrack came to mind. I'm like, yo, that track was fire. That track was really fire. But yeah, so if you like the video, or you know what, you don't even have to like it, just leave a like. Don't forget to comment on videos I do in the future in the comments section below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. And of course, last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications, because if you don't, you're not gonna see my videos and I'm gonna be really mad. So, you know what you gotta do. Subscribe. And oh yeah, if you wanna enter my Rate My Subscriber Beats video, instructions are in the description below. All right, I'm gonna be checking out all you guys' beats if you follow the instructions in the description. Just don't email me the beats because I'm not gonna look. Let's just get into it, all right? All right, here's the sample. It's pretty long. It was like a 30-minute video. Oh my God, wow. Okay, yeah, we're gonna shorten that. It's just a loop, so we're just gonna shorten this. I don't know why I downloaded the 30-minute version, but whatever. All right, let's do the thing. Yes. All right. Wow, this is gonna be really hard. Let's just cut this right here. Let's just cut that right here. Okay, you can go away. I don't need you. All right. I'm sure you guys know that, all right? You don't understand how much I love that soundtrack, but yo, Nintendo be making some fire soundtracks. Like, I literally just did a Zelda video. Like, anyway, let's not stretch that, because if it, oh my God. All right, now I'm just gonna find a loop, honestly. Let's just find this loop real quick. All right, you know what? I can just open this up in Edison. Nah, forget it. I don't feel like it. I'm too lazy.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Let's shift that up, pitch that up actually. Oh my God, please don't, oh my God, no,
Uh-oh, retard alert!
Why? Oh my God, I should have opened up in Edison. What? I am retarded, oh my God. Why did I do this? I literally said I should have opened this up in Edison. Or you know what, I can just open this up in Edison. Nah, forget it. Let's just... Guys, remember, when you're working with samples, always use Edison. Don't be a dumbass like me and use the playlist. Just use Edison. Don't be lazy. Because you're gonna regret stretching a 30-minute sound like me. Yeah, this is going straight into Edison right after this. Wow. Come on, let's go, please. God damn. It's done. All right, make unique a sample. Where the save? Sweet. All right.
Really, nigga?
Yeah, let me. Oh my God. Oh my God. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why? Oh my God. I just did it. Oh, that's a perfect loop. That right there is a perfect loop. Please do not tell me this is gonna take 30 hours to stretch. Oh, thank the Lord, it did not. Oh my God, I would have literally punched a hole in this computer. Now I can start messing with the samples. Finally. All right, let's add this sub bass now. Let's go. All right, you know what? See, it's nice. All right, I still need to get that sampler channel because when I do add the counter melody, I need to know the proper notes, okay? I can't just be, this was easy because the sub bass, it's just a bass line. Bass lines are easy, but yeah, I need the other stuff. All right, let me get a kick. All right, that's a nice pattern. Don't worry, we're gonna fix the pattern up because yeah, I just wanna, yeah, we're just gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep going. All right, let's get these snares. All right, we're gonna find this, what's it called? Hi-hat. All right, let's try this. All right, no, see? All right, let's just do this hi-hat pattern real quick. All right. This beat's gonna need a lot of reverb. Well, that's when I mix it, obviously, so yeah. Now I kind of want to add, oh yeah, I said I was gonna get a counter melody, right? Yes, I did. Now, I don't want to do the counter melody yet. I kind of want to add reverb to stuff. So I'm gonna add reverb to stuff. All right, let's add some reverb to stuff. All right, now let's work on this counter melody. I'm gonna work on that delay thing later because it's pissing me off. I don't know how to use it. I gotta figure that out later. All right, let's do this counter melody. But first, we need to get, what did I say? We need to get the scale. So let's do that. Let's open this up in Edison and then let's detect pitch regions. And oh, that is not it.